Namaste, viewers. It's Friday morning, January 31, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News, where we provide you the latest and updated 5-minute stock market wrap. But before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. And now, let's roll. Equity markets closed higher on January 30, extending the rebound for a third consecutive session as investors capitalized on recent dips. Corporate earnings remained mixed, but optimism prevailed ahead of the union budget on Saturday and the Reserve Bank of India's bi-monthly policy meeting next week. Benchmark equity indices extended their northward move for the third consecutive session to settle in positive territory on Thursday. The third day rally followed the RBI's liquidity boosting measures announced on January 27, which heightened expectations of a potential rate cut in February. The central bank committed to injecting rupees 60,000 crore via open market operation in three tranches and conducting a $5 billion to rupee swap auction on January 31. Experts believe the probability of a rate cut has risen, supported by weaker than expected growth, moderating inflation, and new monetary policy committee members. The BSE Sensex added 226 points or 0.30% to settle at 76,759. The NSE Nifty 50 added 86 points or 0.37% to close at 23,249. 35 out of the 51 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended in positive territory, with gains led by Bharat Electronics, Power Grid Corporation, Cipla, Hero Motorcorp, and Bharati Airtel. Tata Motors, ITC Hotels, Adani Enterprises, Shriram Finance, and Bajaj Finserv, on the other hand, were among the 17 stocks that ended lower. Among the broader markets, the Nifty Small Cap 100 Index gained 0.12%, while the Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index edged lower by a marginal 0.01%. The Fear Index, India VIX, which measures volatility in the market, ended up 6.7% at 17.39 points. Sectoral markets ended on a mixed note, with Nifty FMCG, healthcare, financial services, pharma, and OMCs indices ending higher. Among others, Nifty Auto, Nifty IT, Metal, PSU Bank, and Consumer Durables indices ended down. In the US overnight, US stocks ended a volatile session on a Thursday as investors digested a stack of key earnings reports, and after President Trump said he would likely decide by the end of the day whether to put a 25% tariff on imports of Mexican and Canadian oil that would take effect on February 1st. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.4%, while the S&P 500 added 0.5%. The Nasdaq Composite was 0.3% higher. Brent crude is $76.87 a barrel. Gold is rupees 81,410 per 10 grams, a record high. Silver is rupees 93,070 per kilogram. Today's outlook for the Indian market. On the daily charts, it can be observed that the Nifty has reached the 20-day moving average of 23,300, which can act as a resistance and restrict further up move. On the hourly charts, the momentum indicator has triggered a negative crossover, which is a sell signal. Thus, one can expect some consolidation before the key event schedule for Saturday, February 1, which is the budget day. The index has broken out of its falling wedge formation, suggesting a shift in momentum towards the positive, but the candlestick pattern is not that encouraging. For now, the zone of 23,350 to 23,400 will serve as a resistance, while the support is at 23,065. We will wait for further confirmation. Stocks to watch today: L&T, Wipro, PB Fintech, Biocon, Ircon, Kalyan Jewelers, Shree Cement, Tata Consumers, Bajaj Holdings and Investments, Container Corporation of India, Prestige Estates Projects, Green Lam Industries, Phoenix Mills, Jindal Steel and Power, Bank of Baroda, Astral, Praj Industries, Navin Fluorine International, Ajanta Pharma, JSW Steel, Torrent Power, and Western Carriers will be in focus on January 31 today. That's it for today. I will see you again tomorrow morning as it is a normal working day for the exchanges due to the presentation of the union budget. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.